Hi Aquarius, I'm Alive to Thrive and I'm here to do your reading for September 2020. Oh, that's a good one to get, 10 of Cups. Oh, they're flying. I'm going to pull those back in just because I've been shuffling and honestly it has not been like this. That was the Four of Pentacles. Let's see if they come back out. Oh. Okay, Aquarius, I don't know what's going on, but things are a little mishap right now. A little topsy-turvy. It's almost intense. Calm down, take a nice deep breath. Okay, Aquarius, what's going on? Let's see what the universe has in store for you. It's really hard for me to control the speed that wants to come out of my hands. All right. First card out is the Five of Pentacles in the reverse. And this is a card that I do like in the reverse. It's like you're coming out of a lack mentality. You're coming out of a time of feeling left out in the cold, feeling separated, isolated. Depending on what state you're in or what country you're in, I know that several states are being re-locked down in the U.S., states that have high numbers. But this is telling me, Aquarius, that it's a time for you to stop thinking with a lack mentality, that you need to focus on where you want to go, what you want to do, and get out there and do it. All right, your next card out is in your challenge position. It's the Knight of Wands. So this may be somebody or yourself in your environment that is somebody who doesn't always think things through clearly before they charge in. They may jump to conclusions. They may be all about the passion and the excitement. Like if things aren't exciting, then what I'm hearing is if you don't keep things like moving and keep things exciting, then they go looking elsewhere. Your next card out is your advice. It's the Three of Wands in the reverse. This in the upright, it's like waiting for your ships to come in, and this is just saying that you've kind of planted yourself in a position that you want to move forward, but you just don't even know how to move forward. You kind of feel pressured, and I felt that pressure as I was shuffling, and I feel my body tensing up. It's almost, I am feeling like you feel like everybody's looking at you and waiting for something to happen. And you just don't know. Your outcome is options. I think that there will be many options, and you need to make sure that you choose the right option. And with the Three of Wands being in the reverse and the Seven of Cups in the upright, it's like you're swimming in options is what I'm hearing. And you need to take your time. You need to slow down. You need to contemplate all of these options. Don't jump into anything. One of them is a snake, and one of them is kind of like some kind of a dragon or something. But a lot of these options are good. But some of them are deceptive. So Aquarius, I feel like there's no major arcana here. Like you have had to come up against some challenging situations that kind of put you in a tailspin where you have to make certain decisions that you don't know exactly. It's like you don't have all the information and there's too many options. But you can see that some of the options are not good options. You just want to make sure that you know of all of your options. All right, let's pull an oracle card. I've got Gabrielle Bernstein's The Universe Has Your Back. So Aquarius, what do you need your back covered for the month of September 2020? It says, when I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. So I think there's a lot of options out there, but you know deep down in your heart and your soul, you know, because I see this as your third eye. I see this as the all-knower, as somebody who is intuitive and somebody who trusts their gut. And if you didn't know what to do, your gut would tell you. And I feel like that you have some decisions to make and some options, and but you are coming out of that lack mentality. You're going towards a gratitude and a servitude mentality, because you're using your intuition. And you're being guided and directed by your highest self. And if you do that, it will allow you to see the world through new eyes, through a new light, through an awakened persona. And for some of you, I just heard it's time to go back to church. So I don't know what that means. And I'm getting a vision of a spiritual church, like it's just a community of people gathering together, and like Universalist church, or whatever church speaks to your heart, mind, and soul. All right, Aquarius, I'm alive to thrive. I thank you for your time. If this resonated with you and you'd like a personal reading, my information is in the description box below. Peace out.